Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to today's video. This was the intro for my messy kitchen to say I'm still here. I'm insane and I had no idea what I'm doing, but I thought that I would just add this on to say hello. And we are cleaning out the fridge today, and I thought that you guys know you love it when I'm real. So here is what my fridge currently looks like. Unfortunately, that is the downside of markdown shopping at times. We tend to collect a lot of things, and I really need to clean out the fridge and get it sorted. The problem is the freezer is absolutely chock-a-block full as well, and I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed because it's chaos. I know I can sort it out, but it's just getting that motivation to do it. I know I'm completely crazy, but that's me. I have been waiting to kind of wake up with a burst of energy with the motivation, and it's just not happening. And I've been meaning to sit down and film a video for you guys to go, what's been going on? But I've had no time to do it. So yeah, so we also need to clean the fridge because as you see, there's some spills there. So I thought I would just share in real life. So in an attempt to let's start cleaning out the fridge, it's important to eat things. So I've grabbed some strawberries and these creams, and I've made some banana and strawberry with cream things for my son and I, because he was the only one home at the time. And then my daughter came home later in the afternoon, so I grabbed these raspberries and told her that it was time to eat them, and she said, oh, I don't really feel like it. So I said, ugh, great, and put them back in the fridge, and then put her snow peas on top of that, so hopefully she'll see it as a visual reminder, and then that will make her want to eat them later on. Inside a tip, a week later, I'm pretty sure they're gone, so hopefully that did do the trick. As you can see, I just have so much random stuff in here, so I have to keep moving stuff around to get what I want. It completely drives me insane. It's organized chaos, let me tell you. So here we need to finish off the lamb ragu that you would have seen in our What's for Dinner video. And what I did is I got a packet of lamb pieces. So there's a whole lot of bones with some meat on it. And everyone said to me, you just cook it. And all the meat falls off. It's beautiful. Well, after about 2 hours of cooking, nothing was happening. So I thought, I'm going to turn it off, put it in the fridge and deal with it tomorrow. Well, I pull it out and there's all this fat on there, so I have to pull all the fat out. Luckily it was quite thick and it came out really easily, and a lot of the meat then did just fall off the bones. I thought, far out. So I've pulled it all, chopped it all up, put in the pumpkin and the carrots and the lamb ragu pack, and then I've cooked that all through, added back the lamb, warmed it up, and then we had that for dinner, and it was absolutely delicious. So super happy that I did get that, because I had absolutely zero idea of what I was doing. Yeah, it's just another thing that was needing to be done, and everything just seems to be needing to be done lately. It's driving me insane. So in order to also be cleaning out the fridge, it means that we need to be sorting out the freezer, because we just have so much stuff here, and some of the original organization just isn't working anymore. You can see I've got food on the floor because it fell out when I was opening, and I'm trying to figure out where the best way is for everything to go. People keep asking me for food challenges and other ideas at the moment, and it's like, I can't because I have all this stuff to do. And I was talking with hubby about getting like another upright freezer, just a little one maybe, but it's like where we would put it, it could go in the shed. And then I'm like, but I don't want to go to the shed because I swear I'm going to get killed by a possum if I go out there. So we do need to use everything, and school holidays are coming, so that means less shopping time for me, which is good. So it will mean that we'll start slowly going through things, but for now it's just basically playing Tetris and moving everything around constantly and making new spaces. I did pull out some drawers and stuff that were in here because it just wasn't working anymore, and trying to shove everything back in here. The problem is I've just been seeing the most amazing meat markdowns lately, and I just cannot leave them alone. I'm like, you need to come home with me. And yes, as I said, trying to work on a food challenge right now and do everything else. Just everything seems to be happening. So it's completely crazy. I know that today's video is very left field, but you guys that know me know, hey, that's her. And I just wanted to upload something to say, hey, I'm still alive. But this is just where we're at right now. A chaotic mess. And we will get back to regular resumed programming very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it and had a laugh with me, because, you know, I never take anything seriously, but I just share with you because you guys are my friends, and I know that you'll be like, I'm here with you. Organized chaos in this house. Absolutely. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.